Where? Oh my goodness. Oh, I bet we can't go through here. Oh yeah, we can. Look at all that water!
Dang, look at that baseball field over there. It's all covered. Your guys' area in front of the school's probably. Wow.
Yeah, that's actually a beach and stuff, and it's just where the coast line.
I wonder what our school looks
Oh
like.
yeah.
Our track is probably a swimming.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's the better. Oh, look at the
Oh, look at that
side
baseball
windshield wipers. I can't see
field.
nothing out of that one.
It's pouring in Logan again too. I was looking on the radar. And it's heavy up there.
Oh no.
Man, I bet you never should flooded for like the fifth time.
Flash flood warning in this area.
I believe
Okay,
it.
thanks.
Oh, there goes my phone.
My phone should be going off now too.
Oh, they just have those lanes blocked off
Oh my gosh.
over there.
Wow.
Whoa, my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Look at the thing. It's like,
Oh
my god.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why do they keep going?
My car's stuck.
Ah.
Yeah, look
Wait, this is
over.
our school? Yeah, that's our school.
Look down in there. I bet it's pretty.
Oh, look
flooded
at the
out.
track.
Look at the parking lot, you
Look,
guys.
there's a car down there.
Oh no.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think.
Oh, I
Did you
hope
see
our
that car
house
down there?
isn't flooded. Yeah, there's a guy in that car.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I wonder if turning on inspiration is going to be a river.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, watch this part. Stop running up there.
Where we walked under to go to school. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Whoa.
Look at the size of that splash.
Oh.
Now watch this.
I bet you
Yeah, look down here. No, it's not actually.
That
Oh,
is,
yeah.
look at.
Wow.
Oh my. Oh my goodness.
It's like a pool.
Oh.
The shortcut. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. The entrance to the church.
The shortcut.
Oh, I hope my bedroom isn't flooded again.
That was bad.
Yeah, it already flooded once.
We don't have to
Don't do that.
That guy behind it.
No, I just didn't see him.
Oh.
I didn't see it.
Oh, it looks like a pothole there almost. You see that?
Yeah. That's probably a reason why his truck's backed up.
Probably.
He's driving like that.
Yeah. And he's not from here, so
Let's
he has
not
no
drive
idea
up
how
my
dangerous floodwaters are. Look at that right there, babe.
Yeah.
Oh my lord. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
drainage ditch is like, I can't take anymore.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, oh my gosh, all the way down the street.
That whole street is flooded right there.
Oh my goodness.
Nope.
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Alright. Let's pray that our room is dry.